10,000 watts of solar that was at my house is now at my parents' house. 28 panels. They're mostly hooked up. I got 2, 4, 6 as one set, 4 as one set, all of those as one, and these 8 as one. Got black wood chips for underneath. Need to finish cutting them open and spreading them out. I need to zip tie these wires up. Here, conduit back this way to a 10,000 watt grow watt inverter. But I still need to extend these wires. One there and one somewhere else. Oh no, that was it. Just this one wire I need to hook up. That one's already connected. We had to run electric from the meter there, underground, through the driveway, to this old chicken shed. So it's a 200 amp, or is that a 100 amp? 100 amp, 50 for the solar, 20 for lights. This one just goes to an old can crusher. Got the wire coming out the wall to the inverter. Still waiting on the electric company to approve it. Everything's hooked up. It's just the final inspections or whatever. They have these optimizers, Tigo or Tigo optimizers. But for, I think those 10 down there, one of them wasn't working. So the whole string was shut off. So to fix it, I just took them all off. Let's see, there's one right here. One there. I guess those 4 I didn't even hook up. There's another one. When I was testing it, most of the panels, I guess all of them but 2, 4, 6, 8, it was doing about 8,000 watts. 8 to 9. So once those are hooked up, it should max it out. And then hopefully the parents don't have an electric bill anymore. Yeah. Big yard. We just had a storm with about 100-mile-an-hour winds. Came ripping through here. Must have hit between the hills. Took out all the power lines on the road back there. These didn't budge at all. It's about $1,000 worth of wood. It's cheaper than buying the aluminum kit. Put these little screw anchors in the ground. Put an eye bolt through the 4x4. Use some electric fence wire. So there's one there, one there. It alternates the legs. Same with this one. One there, one over there, one right there. I think one at the very end just to hold the corner down.